Here's a 2017 Lexus ES. This ES is state-of-the-art in the art of the arrival. The crafted elegance and athletic performance give you a luxury sedan others won't soon forget. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Experience it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.